and it's recorded.
Good morning, folks. We got the first edition Tailgate Talks for year 2019. We have a new addition to our dealership staff. This is Jax, and he's around here most every day now. And what we're also excited about is some new financing opportunities that we want to tell you a little bit about. In the past 25 years, and this is 25th anniversary was in April, we have always used pretty much what we would call prime financing. We've had all the local banks and credit unions, and we still have them, and our rates are as good as anybody's rates anywhere through the banks and credit unions that we have. But as of February, we have started a new deal that we've been able to help people that have an assortment of issues that would have been in the past. One would be that you have no credit. If you've had no credit, but you have a good job and down payment, then we've never been able to really help you because you had no credit. You'd had to get a cosigner, somebody that's 20 years old and really has got a good job and got some down payment saved, but say their parents won't co-sign for them. Well, we've never been able to help those people, but now we're able to with this new source. That's one thing. If you've had bad credit in the past or subpar credit or had a few hiccups, we're able now to help you. If you filed bankruptcy or had a repossession or just been slow paid on times in the past, again, our banks wouldn't help you. Now we can help you. We're real picky on our sources. This deal, we've helped 35 customers in the last 3.5 months. So we've tried to figure out exactly what it took before we came out here and really talked about how the deal really works. We wanted to experiment with it. We've actually helped 35 people in 3.5 months. So basically 10 a month we've been able to put people in cars and help people out that in the past we wouldn't have been able to. Well, what we basically call this, and it's kind of an interesting deal, it's kind of like a matrix. And when I say that, people say, well, you got 150 cars. Well, this program worked for all 150. And that all depends. Down payment is a key. Sometimes you may come in and only have $1,000 down. Well, instead of having 150 cars to choose from, you may only have 2 or 3 that will work for that program. The program matters how long you've been on your job, matters how much you put down, matters how much you make, it matters what your credit has been. How bad has your credit been, or have you had 0 credit? It's kind of a matrix. What are you looking to get out of a car? Are you trying to get a 4-wheel drive? You trying to get that's a harder deal to put together because of book value. So all those things are important. This matrix, it works. You might put $2,000 down, and instead of having 2 or 3 cars that are available for you, now you might open yourself up to 8 or 10 cars. Again, you may go to $5,000 down, and now out of our 150 cars, you may find that 40 or 50 of them work. Some of them may not work regardless, unless you just put lots of money down, because we have some vehicles that are $40,000 and $50,000, and they're harder to work in this particular program. But what we're excited about, and Tyler has been spearheading this, he's been pushing because we've had customers that have been past customers that have had issues, and now we can't help them. He's been spearheading this, wanting to push something where we can help our customers and continue to help the people. And a lot of people are young kids that have come in that they say, hey, they call us and they say, do y'all do buy here, pay here? Well, we don't do buy here, pay here. But now it's amazing. The people that were going through buy here, pay here stores are now able to buy a quality car with a fairly low down payment, as long as you got a good job. You have a utility bill that you can bring in and a paycheck stub. So, these are all important things, but they allow us to help get our customers in the right position where we can help them purchase a vehicle. Again, we're excited about this program. We feel like it's going to continue to expand. We do still have we've got as low interest rates as anybody out there. This isn't the direction we're taking our company. It's just a way of helping more people get into vehicles. Anything you have really to add to that, Tyler?
Yeah, I do. And it's not just, you don't have to have just a W-2 income, a regular job. If you're on a fixed income, if you're on SSI or disability. I even did one deal where the guy had a lot down as a down payment, and he was actually on unemployment. You can even use that. It's not probably ideal, but it's even an option. So anybody, basically, if you have enough down, there's something out here we can find you. You know, that's basically, really don't know what else to add a whole lot. We've had over, I think, 200 approvals in the last couple months. 35 that we've actually sold a car to. Most of them had at least 1,000 down, but if you have 500 come in and let us see what works, a lot of all these, I'd say 90% of the vehicles on the lot qualify for the 2-year warranty that it comes with. So you don't, if you're going to a buy here, pay here store, they probably don't have warranties on their cars. They may, but we have at least a 2-year. Sometimes you can extend that out, and they actually like you to do the warranty because it, you know, if the vehicle breaks down, you're much more likely to pay for it. That's kind of how they look at it. But it's kind of skin in the game, kind of how it is. If you put 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 down on a $10,000 car, it's a risk-based lender, so their risk goes down the more you put down. So as a down payment. So, and then time on job. But we've had some people that were temp service employees at Kelly Services that have been on the job 2 weeks. They had 1,000 down and they got, you know, $8,000 or $9,000 car. $350, $250 payment is possible on that too, depending on how price the car. So, yeah, we're excited. First-time buyers, we've probably done more with first-time buyers. We like to say that you're not married to this loan. In 2 or 3 years, if you pay it good, you may be able to finance it through Central Bank or one of our good banks and get a single-digit interest rate. And this helps toward a house. It helps you can get, you know, credit cards if you want to go that route. It's really, you know, rebuilding your credit. And or building, yeah. I mean, we've had a couple people that have had 2 and 3 repossessions. As long as you don't owe the bank that we go through, as long as you didn't repo through them, that's really the only kicker that we can help with. But we've been able to help with that as well. So don't be afraid to send a credit application. I'll work hard. I probably call this source probably 3 or 4 times a day for our customers. So
one other thing about credit, I don't think people realize it. Credit, you know, is one of the building blocks. Being able, you know, having better credit helps everything better. Your insurance rates are better. What you can purchase stuff, your purchasing power is better. It's like Tyler said, it enables you to buy a home. There are people that's had they're straight people, they've had issues. This will help you, that, you know, over a time period, this can help you where everything's less in your life, and, you know, where you've got a budget and you're paying insurance for a car, your insurance goes down because your credit went up. That we're able to help people this way, and that we're excited about that. And so come out and give us a try. See Jack's. We are still a small dealer. We're a family-owned store. People may call us. We've got labs in here. We have 4 labs. We got other dogs in here. People may call us a kennel, not a dealership, but we come out here all the time and we have fun, and we want you to be part of our family. We've got a lot of great employees here, and we're tickled to death to have this particular service. They're able to expand the opportunities that we have for our customers. And thanks again, and this is edition of Tailgate Talk.